Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we'll start exercise 14.2 of chapter 14 symmetry of class 7. So here in question number 1, which of the following figures have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? It means to say here in the given diagram we will check that which one diagram is having more than 1 rotational symmetry. So here, as we know that the order of rotational symmetry means to say how many times it looks like the same after rotating. So here in first part you can see here circle is there, it is having 4 parts, and what I have written here, I have written here P to clear it to you that how it is rotating and how many times it look like the same. So see here, as P is here, when I rotate it you can see here P reaches here on rotating this. It is a first rotation, and after that again on rotating it reaches here, see in this. Then again on rotating here it reaches here. So after again rotating this one it reaches here, and these rotations you can see these two diagrams are same. Now you can judge from these 4 circles as they are looking like the same that it is having 4. Order of rotation is 4, so that on 4 times we can say it is looking like the same. So here order of rotation symmetry is 4. Then same here in B part. In B part we are having a triangle, fine. And in this triangle, as we know that there are 3 sides and we have to find out the order of rotational symmetry. So I have shaded this one angle here so that it will be clear to you that on which one time it reaches to its original position. So say here on rotating first time here it reaches here, this one shaded portion reaches here. Then again on rotating this side it is reaches here. Then again rotating it reaches here. You can see here on third number it reaches to its original position. So here the order of rotation symmetry is 3. Fine. Then same here you can see in this diagram, this one diagram it is having this. See here in this diagram, this one signs are going to be shown on one side only, and what we'll do here, we will rotate it completely up to 360 degree to reach its original position. So it is having only one rotational symmetry. Fine. Then same here, in the same way you can simplify the other parts of this sum. See in next question number 2, what they are asking, give the order of rotational symmetry for each figure. It means to say here we are having figures and we have to write the order of rotational symmetry here again. So here you can see in this diagram, as I am going to rotate them, as this one pencil is given to you. So what we will do here, as first of all I will rotate like this. Fine. Then again I rotate like this. So you can see here that when I rotate like this here, it rotates up to 360. No, it rotates up to 180 degrees. So here you can see I have written here it is rotating up to 180 degree. Fine. It is looking like the same because on rotation it looks like the same. So that's why I rotate it up to 180 degree. Then again I rotate. See, it is here in this way. Again I rotate up to this. Then it reaches to its original position. So you can see that it rotates here. After rotating 2 times, it comes to its original position. So here order of rotation is 2. Then here in B part you can see that here it is here. Then what we'll do here, we will rotate up to 180 degree 2 times. So see here on rotating it reaches here, 180 is here. Then again rotating it reaches to its original position again back. So it is having order of rotation as 2. Then in C part, this diagram is given to you as a triangle, and I have written here P from my side. It is visible to you. Then you can see here first one time P is here. Then okay, again on rotating it P is here. Then again on rotating P will be here. See, P is here, then here, then here. Fine. You can see here it means on 3 times. After 3 times, it will looks like the same. So it is having 3 as order of rotation symmetry. Fine. Then same here D part you can see that this fan is there. Then how many times, as it is having 4 wings. Fine. So firstly 90, then here again one more 90, then again one more 90, then again reaches to its original position. You can see here it rotates up to 360 degree. As it is having 4 wings, it is having order of rotation symmetry as 4. In the same way, this one E part you can see here again, this one crosses there. It is having 4 parts, again it is having 4 lines of symmetry. You can draw it yourself. Then this one is pentagon is there, 5 sides there, it is having 5 line of symmetries. Fine. Then it is having, this one star is having 6. Fine. Corners, so it is having 6 line of symmetry. So in the way you can simplify all these parts, you can draw the line of symmetries and you can guess that how many lines of symmetry they are having.